Portions can be used to solve application problems, and we have two problems like that here. The problem reads, if 3 pigs ate 52.1 pounds of meal in 4 weeks, how much will they eat in 12 weeks? I encourage you to use some structure as you set these up. When I look at this, first I want to find the ratio of the first case, and then I want the ratio or rate of the second case. The ratio in the first one is 52.1 pounds of meal in 4 weeks. So this is the meal, or how much meal, and how long it took to eat them, so the time, I guess. And it says if they're eating at that same rate, how much will they eat? So this is what I don't know. I don't know how much they eat. How much meal are they going to eat in 12 weeks? So when I set it up like that, it's really clear to see that I have 52.1 pounds to 4 weeks should be equal to X over 12 weeks. And I can multiply this times this, so 52.1, and I'm not going to put the labels in there right now, times 12 should equal 4 times X. And multiply 52.1 times 12, I get 625.2 equals 4X. To solve for X, I'm going to divide by 4. I have to divide both sides by 4 so that I find out what my X is. So 652, which is still on there, divided by 4 equals 156.3. So that's the number, but the answer is, we're saying how much will they eat? So I should say 156.3 pounds. That's the abbreviation for pounds of meal. So by setting up a little chart, and you might want to put lines in there so you can see more clearly what you're doing, you can make sure that you are setting it up properly. That gets even trickier on this next one. So this next one is a rate of a punch recipe, uses a ratio of 7 cups of lemonade to 5 cups of soda. So in my first case, my first rate is lemonade to soda, and it's 7 cups of lemonade to 5 cups of soda. 7 cups of lemonade, 5 cups of soda. If you want 36 cups of punch, now wait a minute, that's not soda and that's not lemonade, that's punch. And I have 30, if I want 36, how many cups of lemonade? So this is what I'm looking for my second rate. But I need to compare 7 to something here equals X to this. Well, the punch is the total. When I add the lemonade and the soda together, I make punch. So if I have 7 cups and 5 cups, I have 12 cups. So this is kind of generally, when you do it like this is generally your total. Sometimes the problem will be if there are a certain amount of men employees to women employees, and the business has 563 total employees, the total would go down here, and you might be able to find men or women from that. But you'd always have to add to make a total here. So to set it up, I have 7 cups of lemonade to 12 cups of punch should equal X cups of lemonade to 36 cups of punch. To solve it, I'm going to do 7 times 36 equals 12 times X. And if I do 7 times 36, I get 252. And then I can divide both sides by 12. And I get 21. That's not my answer. I need to put some words on it. When there's words in a problem, you want words on your answers. So I have 21. It's asking for how many cups of lemonade. So 21 cups of lemonade.